So, after I passed the inspection, I started looking into the timing because I really had to replace the timing chain on this car. So for that, I needed to pull out the rear of the car. The rear axle is held on by 4 big screws. Here, here, here and there. I started by removing these 3 hoses. I removed the rear power brake. I removed some wires, rear brakes, brake lines. This right here, a harness. I put the brake lines in this bottle. This whole side of the engine was covered in oil. So the culprit is this little thing right here. This is the timing chain cover, and as you can see, it has a big ass hole in it. Because the chain was very loose, it started rubbing on the cover until it made a freaking hole. This is basically the old timing set. You can see it's a new sprocket, new chain. You can see here all the parts. And this is the new timing chain cover. Now let's install the crankshaft seal. So it's this little thing here. Now everything has to be dry, so we won't use any type of oil. This here needs to be dry. You grab it on the outside, never on the inside, because you'll damage the seal. And also, very important, don't use oil. Okay, so I finished assembling the engine. I worked on the car without filming, but I am really in a hurry. So, as I said, I finished assembling the engine. Let me show you real quick. This is the car. I put the alternator, I put the AC compressor, I slapped on the belts. Here I put some new hoses. This needs to be placed here, and then this, I guess, is the fuel return line. I don't know actually. Anyway, yeah, it's time to hook up the diagnosis. I was just trying to get it started, turn the key on and off, and at one time it just started. And I'm gonna try to start it again, this time filming it. It doesn't have coolant in it, so that's why I can't keep it running any longer. But man, am I excited? Of course, yes. I've waited so long for this.